Hi! In front of me is Fairphone for 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can manage its location. Start by going into Tab menu and looking for Location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. Then in No Location Access pop-up, select Close to disable location. So when I go back, as you can see, location of my device is off. If you wish to switch it on, click on the same tile again. You can also go into Devices Settings, scroll down and tap on Location section. Then click on this switcher next to Use Location to manage it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!